Effective this month, Southwest Airlines is now only disinfecting high-touch areas like lavatories and tray tables between flights, and not their armrests and seatbelts. Why? Well, since flight schedules have increased, they simply don't have the time. But this doesn't mean that they're being ignored altogether. Their overnight cleaning process, which typically takes 6 to 7 hours per aircraft, does a thorough cleaning. And the use of electrostatic sprayers creates an antimicrobial coating that kills viruses on contact for 30 days. United Airlines plans to boost flight volume in September, announcing just last Friday they will increase its domestic schedule to about 40% of last September's schedule. The carrier will also reinstate services on more than 25 international routes. After shutting down all mountain climbing, Nepal is inviting hikers back this fall in an attempt to save its tourism economy. The world's highest peak, Mt Everest, will reopen to trekkers this fall. And on July 30th, they began issuing permits for the peak, as well as its other Himalayan mountains, just in time for the fall climbing season from September to November. Nepal just lifted its nationwide lockdown on July 21st, and international and domestic flights will resume August 17th. Beginning August 11th, Singapore will require all incoming travelers to quarantine at home with electronic monitoring devices. Applied to all individuals over the age of 12, travelers are to pick up devices after clearing immigration and are required to activate the monitors once they arrive at their quarantine locations. Authorities will receive alerts when anyone wearing a monitor attempts to leave their quarantine location or tamper with their device. According to a poll by YouGov administered in the latter half of July, roughly 1 out of 2, or nearly 50% of German, British, and French travelers would rather skip a vacation than take a test, wear a mask outdoors, or quarantine afterwards. Numbers just proving that many are still wary of traveling during the pandemic. Now, not a huge surprise, but Mastercard has announced it has seen a 45% drop year over year in cross-border transaction volume. In addition, domestic spending in many countries has stayed strong. The statistics underscore how the travel sector has been disproportionately affected by the pandemic. Well, there you have it. I hope you've learned something new this week, and until next time, I'll see you then.